elephant and duck. So let's start with elephant, and it is made of Lego Classic 10696. So let's start with elephant. These all Lego pieces will be used to make elephant. Let's start with elephant. Elephant is done.
Show me, keep it down. Is it ready? Can you just turn it around? Wow, it's so beautiful. What is that white one?
Water.
Oh, okay, water. Turn it around for me once. Nice. So now we are going to make duck. Okay, so let's keep this elephant aside, and then you can start with duck. Can you just show once like how it will look like? Okay, so this is duck, right? Okay, let's start. First you will show us the pieces, right? Like how many pieces will be required. Okay, so just show the pieces first. So total how many pieces are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
Total 8 pieces. So we are going to make duck with these, right? Okay. So let's get started.
Oopsie daisy. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.